Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Profit Chapter. So today in this lecture we will learn about an important Kite API that can be used to extract the live data of any instrument. So let me take you to the official documentation of Kite using Python. So here you can see that we have a bunch of APIs that can be used, and out of these we have this API called LTP. So if we go to this definition of this API, it retrieves the last price of list of instruments. So instruments is a list of instrument, and instruments are in the form of exchange and trading symbol. So suppose we have a stock and it is listed in NSE. So we have to pass NSE like Infi for Infosys. So let us use this in our code. So if you write as TCS is equal to kite dot LTP, and here we need to pass as a string value of stock, and we can print it. So if we run this code, you can see that we have got this value as a response in the form of dictionary. So it returns the instrument token value and the last price. So the last price of TCS was 3439.15. So every stock has its own instrument token value, so we can also get this value. Now suppose we need to find the price of a given futures value, suppose. So let us take one futures value. So you can see that this is a Bank Nifty December future, and this is the symbol. We will copy it, and suppose this is the December future. Bank Nifty LTP, and here we need to pass, for futures we need to pass NFO, and we will copy this value and we will try to print it out. So let us run this code. So you can see that it is returning a dictionary value and the last price. So at any point of time in the live trading, we can get value of any instrument using this Kite API. So in the next lecture we will learn about another API for getting the live data, and it will have some more details. So thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.